Welcome back as we explore the powerful 400-watt G GJIA LED high bay shop lighting kits. These super bright lights produce 60,000 lumens while reducing your electricity bills by up to 80%. Each industrial-grade unit features a die-cast aluminum shell for maximum heat dissipation and reliable performance. Installation is easy using the included scientific hooks and the long 6-foot US power plugs. These IP65 waterproof fixtures work perfectly in dusty warehouses, wet barns, large garages, and commercial workshops. You will enjoy clear daylight visibility from dimmable 5000K bulbs that provide high color rendering. Your purchase is protected by a 5-year warranty and technical support for any lighting project. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.